Charlie Brown, aka the real Charlie Brown, coming at you with another REI Reply tutorial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you get some value out of this video, make sure you share it. All right. So to the video, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I, create my cold calling campaign and how I actually go about launching it here. Right. So the first thing I like to do here is I like to come to settings, and I like to come to pipelines. If I can find it, okay, come to pipelines, and then I like to create a pipeline, and I like to call this cold calling. Okay, and the first stage is I'm gonna put DNC. I'm gonna put wrong number. I'm gonna put not interested, and then I'm also going to put incoming call. And then I also want to put no answer. Then I'm also going to put complete. Okay. So now I have that set up. Okay. So one thing, I'm going to come here to workflows now. I like to create this folder here, call it cold calling. Okay. And then now I go into here. Now I'm going to create my workflow, right? So the first thing I want to do is create the cold calling campaign or the cold calling workflow. So right here, I'm either gonna have the cold calling campaign either start by a tag added, and let's see if I have cold calling in here. Nope, I don't have cold calling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, add the tag in here real fast. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back here, and then I'm gonna do tag added. It's gonna be cold calling. Okay, so if we have to tag cold calls, automatically gonna get put into this campaign. Okay, so another thing I like to do is this. I like to come here to add a tag just in case. If it doesn't get triggered there, it get triggered here. Okay, and then I also would like to do manual call, and then I like to call this cold call. Okay. Another thing I like to do too is I like to come here and do assign users, and then I like to go like this, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why, right? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phone numbers, right? So what the system is gonna do is gonna rotate through those 5 phone numbers because I have 5 users, so that way I'm never using the same number once, and that way I can keep my number fresh from being marked as spam. Okay. So now that's done. Now another thing I like to do too is I like to come to settings, and I like to come to custom fields, and I like to add this thing, and I like to call single option, and I like to call this rounds. Okay, so this would be round 1, be round 2, be round 3. And the reason why I do that is so that way whenever we cold calling, right, I'm calling this lead, and let's say we call them the first time, we don't get a response, I can do round 1. Okay, so now when I come back around this lead, I know this lead been called 1 time. So then when we come around the second time, then I can do round 2. All right, but this is how I actually set up my cold calling campaign and my cold calling launch, right? I have another video coming out where I'm actually going to show you how I build incredible automation off of that, right? Phenomenal automation, right? But look, if you was having trouble, I'm like, man, how do I actually build my cold calling campaign into the system? I having 5 users, having those numbers rotate through those users, right? This is exactly how you do it, all right? So hey, it's your boy Charlie Brown, aka the real Charlie Brown, with another REI Reply tutorial. If you got value, make sure you share this with others who's in the industry, who's using this platform, right? And if you're struggling with the system, you need help with the system, feel free to book a call with me down below. I'll do a quick audit on your system, give you my feedback and things like that. And if you want a done for you system here, then we can talk about that then. But hey, this your boy Charlie Brown, aka the real Charlie Brown, and I'm out.